Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde has said he's going to have a look at the mercy petition of Parliament attack case convict Afzal Guru only after the winter session of Parliament. He said the file related to the mercy petition of Guru returned by President Pranab Mukherjee for review by him was still with the Home Ministry. Now let's point out here that the winter session of Parliament ends on 20th of December. In an interview to Headlines today, soon after 26/11 attacker Ajmal Kasab's hanging, Shinde had promised to clear Afzal Guru's mercy plea within hours. Now Shinde has come out and said that there are 7 other pleas that still remain with the Home Ministry. At this stage, he's made it quite clear that he will be taking a final call post the winter session of Parliament coming to an end. Kamaljit Sandhu, Headlines today's reporter, has been tracking developments. She now joins us for a live input. Kamal, just break this down for us. What has changed? Why has Sushil Kumar Shinde, switched from his earlier stand? One expected it to be as speedy as, Ajmal Kasab as well. He said this as well himself. Now that stand has changed, it seems.
Yes, as far as Kasab was concerned, that was the fastest trial ever with the hanging done also. But as far as Afzal Guru is concerned, there is also a lot of concern. There have been parties, there have been states who are very sensitive as far as Afzal's file is concerned. But remember, Home Ministry has this file at this point of time. But what Sushil Kumar Shinde had said earlier was that he will decide on any file in 48 hours. Now that decision has now been kept pending till the end of winter session. So definitely there seems to be a certain pressure on the government, especially on the Home Minister, as what needs to be done, especially in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, where there are a lot of people who are very sensitive as far as Afzal Guru's hanging is concerned. But remember, it's not just Afzal Guru, but there are 7 other files, including his, which are pending with Mr. Shinde. He will have to take a final call on it before it is sent to the Parliament, to the President. Yes. So that way, definitely, as far as Afzal Guru is concerned, there have been earlier controversies also, no direct involvement, though his SIM card was found with a terrorist in the 2001 Parliament attack, which was seen as the biggest attack on Indian democracy at that point of time. Now there seems to be a certain pressure, and remember the sort of secrecy that was held during Kasab's hanging. Will it be that case? That's something which has been questioned now. But remember, this is going to be very, very sensitive. There would be much more pressure. Remember, Gujarat elections are also there, but that date would far be over, because 13th and 17th are the dates of Gujarat elections as well, if there has to be a certain impact. But now Mr. Shinde has clarified that a decision on this will be taken only after the Parliament session.
Kamal, when you look at this entire case of Afzal Guru, it's been dragging on for a while now. It was, I think, on the 27th of July last year that the MHA had submitted its report to the ex-president Pratibha Patil, recommending that the mercy petition be quashed, the execution be carried forth. When you look at this stand even now, Sushil Kumar Shinde saying that he's going to move on this file. It is important. This is a different proposition, most certainly, given that, he is a Kashmiri, he's from Jammu and Kashmir, the state government also warning that there might be trouble if the execution were to go through.
Well, definitely, but if you have a look at the procedures, what really happens is it is really up to the President as to what precedent he wants to take, whether there is a particular person whose case he would take up before. But as a matter of fact, it's only when a new President takes over, he actually does send the files back to Home Ministry for reconsideration, to have a re-look, and then have it sent back to the President. That is what is happening at this point of time. 7 files before Mr. Shinde. He has to take a decision. But remember, Shinde had kept his word. He said that in 48 hours he will decide on that file, no matter how controversial it is.
Kamal, just stay on for a moment. Sorry for interrupting. Tanveer Sadiq, NC spokesperson, now joins us. Sir, your thoughts on this comment from the Home Minister coming out and saying that any decision on Afzal Guru will only be taken after the winter session of Parliament?
Well, we'll wait till the Home Minister comes out with whatever he has to say about Afzal Guru, and then maybe we'll make a official comment on that. Till then, I think it's too premature to talk about something that has far-reaching effects in the valley.
Thoughts on how this goes forward? The government has in fact come forth. Jammu and Kashmir government coming out and saying that this is going to be a sensitive time if this were to go through, the execution were to go through, warning of trouble as well.
See, that is the point. There are many things to it. I mean, for Kashmir and for Valley, people see it in a different way. They feel that he's not being given a free trial, a fair trial, and we have to really, think about it before taking a decision. But as far as Mr. Shinde's thing is concerned, let something come out, and then we'll be in a position to speak about it.
All right, thanks very much, Tanveer Sadiq, spokesperson of the NC National Conference, for joining us. Let's also get a word now from the PDP. Naeem Akhtar joining us. Your thoughts, sir, on this current comment coming across from the Home Minister saying that he'll take any call whatsoever on Afzal Guru after the winter session of Parliament after December 20th?
The Home Minister is within his rights to say that he is taking time to go through this case, and I don't think it merits a reaction from us. But basically, we as a party have already appealed the President of India to spare the life of Mr. Afzal Guru, fundamentally because the party is against corporal punishment, and we don't see that death sentences resolve issues, especially political issues, as the one we face in Kashmir. And I think it's better that the state of India, the government of India, shows magnanimity in such cases and uses the power of mercy, which again is part of the...
Mr. Akhtar, it was an act of terror at the end of the day. When you look at what really happened with Ajmal Kasab as well, very expeditiously that execution carried forward. That was expected to be a move from the Home Minister. He had said this in the past.
The two cases are entirely different. Ajmal Kasab was caught killing people. He had come from Pakistan.
The intention was the same, sir. The intention was the same for the planner.
The two cases are entirely different. We agree that that Afzal Guru too has been handed down a death sentence by the same legal system.
But the planner is as complicit as the executioner, sir, of any terror plan.
We agree with that, but we see that we have to see this in the historical perspective of Kashmir problem.
Okay.
Sometime back, a few decades back, Maqbool Bhatt was also given a death sentence and he was executed. Today, if we see in retrospect, if Maqbool Bhatt had been alive, we would have been...
Mr. Akhtar, let me just request you to stay on hold for a second, sir. The Home Minister is actually making a comment. Let's actually play that out live.
सर आखिर एक सवाल और, रहमान मलिक नेहा पर नहीं पहुंच पाए और कहा जा रहा है कि जिस वजह जो पिछले दिनों रही वो चाह रहे थे कि ताजमहल में आकर अपना बर्थडे मनाए, उस तरह की बातें की जा रही थी, उस पे क्या?
नहीं, उन्होंने मेरे से बात की और चिट्ठी भी लिखी है कि वो 12 तारीख को वो टर्की में जा रहे हैं, उनके प्रेसिडेंट साहब भी उनके साथ है, 3-4 राष्ट्र के प्रमुख वहाँ है, तो उनके साथ वो वहाँ जा रहे हैं। लेकिन यहाँ 14, 15, 16 को ये 3 दिन यहाँ आएंगे, उन्होंने कंफर्म किया।
सर एक सवाल यह है कि पाकिस्तान में जम्मू कश्मीर के बॉर्डर पर सीज फायर की घटनाएं बढ़ रही पाकिस्तान की तरफ, नए कैंप पाकिस्तान के जो एरिया में 12 नए कैंप देखे गए, खुफिया रिपोर्ट है।
देखिए, खुफिया रिपोर्ट मुझे ज्यादा मालूम है, वहाँ के कई बार मिसलीडिंग भी हो सकते हैं। हम बहुत सतर्क है, कोई डरने की बात नहीं।
शुक्रिया।